Hello, and welcome to this Pentair Minutes to Proficient video. In this video, we will provide an overview of the easyconnect cap and explain how using easyconnect with Pentair Hypro Cleanload Nexus will improve your spraying experience. To reduce the risk of chemical contamination from agrochemical containers, 11 leading agrochemical companies have committed to using a new container cap designed to create a closed transfer system and reduce the risk of chemical contamination. This new cap is called easyconnect. easyconnect will have several benefits for the user. Let's quickly review a few of them. First, easyconnect will provide a standardized cap that is compatible with Cleanload Nexus. As we have mentioned, 11 agrochemical companies have already committed to using a standardized 63mm easyconnect cap for chemical containers. Second, easyconnect has been designed with easy-to-identify components. easyconnect consists of three distinct elements: the dust cap, the threaded cap, and the inner connecting plug. This simple design means there is no seal or foil to break or misplace. It also means that you will be able to clearly identify if the cap is easyconnect. To verify, simply remove the dust cover of the cap and ensure the inner connecting plug is visible and that an ISO do not touch symbol is present. And third, easyconnect was designed to comply with the new ISO 21191 standard for closed transfers. Additional benefits with easyconnect can be realized when used with Pentair Hypro Cleanload Nexus. Cleanload Nexus is a closed transfer system designed exclusively for easyconnect that allow users to fully or partially empty a container. Cleanload Nexus can be used with 1 to 15 liter agrochemical containers factory fitted with an easyconnect cap. Let's take a look at how the Cleanload Nexus and easyconnect cap work together. In this video, you can see a cutaway of a container with an easyconnect cap. When the Cleanload Nexus handle is operated, the probe head snaps into the inner connecting plug of the easyconnect cap. It progressively pushes the plug into the container, allowing chemical to flow out of the container. Once the desired amount of chemical has been transferred, the Cleanload Nexus will pull the inner connecting plug back into the cap to reseal the container. This unique feature allows containers to be partially emptied because the easyconnect cap is resealable when used with Cleanload Nexus. Cleanload Nexus makes cleanup a breeze, allowing users to quickly rinse containers and the easyconnect cap. After cleaning and removing a full container from Cleanload Nexus, you can use a spike on a drip tray to push open the interconnecting plug and drain any remaining rinse water. For more information about easyconnect or the Cleanload Nexus, please visit cleanloadnexus.com. A link will be provided in the description below. This completes this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.